In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted video projects in CapCut. Whether you've accidentally removed a project or simply want to revisit something you thought you no longer needed, CapCut makes it possible to restore your work quickly and easily. This is an incredibly useful feature for video creators who spend time perfecting their edits and want peace of mind knowing their projects can be retrieved. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your deleted projects back in just a few simple steps. First, let's get started by opening CapCut on your PC. This is your gateway to accessing your account and all the tools necessary for recovering your projects. If you don't already have CapCut installed, you can download it from their official website. Once the application is open, the next step is to log into your CapCut account. Logging in is essential because it ensures you're accessing your personal workspace, which includes all your projects and data. Now, as a quick reminder, make sure you're using the correct account, the one linked to the projects you want to restore. If you have multiple accounts, double-check to avoid any confusion. Next, direct your attention to the dashboard. You'll need to locate the trash can icon, which is the key to accessing the recently deleted folder where your removed projects are stored. This icon is typically found in the top right corner of the dashboard, but it may be a bit small. If you don't see it immediately, try maximizing your screen or hover your mouse along the top bar to make sure it's visible. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the trash can icon. This will open up the recently deleted folder, which serves as a temporary storage area for projects you've recently removed. Now, take a moment to review the list of deleted projects. CapCut organizes these projects in this folder for a specific time frame, so you'll only see items that have been deleted recently. Keep in mind that if too much time has passed, the project you're looking for may no longer be available. As you scroll through the list, pay attention to the thumbnails provided. These previews are designed to help you quickly identify your projects. If you manage a large number of projects, take your time to ensure you're selecting the right one. Once you've identified the project you want to recover, it's time to restore it. Simply click the Restore button next to your selected project. This action will move the project back to your active dashboard, making it available for editing once again. Now, depending on the size of your project, the restoration process is usually instant, but for larger files, it may take a few moments to load. Be patient and allow the process to complete. After restoration, it's important to verify that your project has been successfully recovered. Check your active dashboard to confirm that the project appears there. This step ensures that everything has been fully restored and is ready for you to pick up where you left off. Once you see your project in the dashboard, you can dive right back into editing. Everything, including your edits, effects, and timeline, should remain intact, so you can continue working seamlessly. And there you have it. You've just learned how to recover deleted video projects in CapCut. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start creating today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.